So today we'll have a activity with high schoolers here at the University of Toledo. We'll teach them how to do these wind chimes, and we have this activity set up for them here. And we hope to help them learn a little bit more about how engineering takes the theoretical approach that they have learned at school, the mathematics, and apply them to real life situations. And I hope that helps them to maybe choose some engineering career in the future and have fun. Here, Anish, who's a reporter, Andrew, which is an undergrad student actually, and Saldio, which is also a grad student. So the activity we will do today is called wind chime, which is basically this, which you see on people's porch when the wind blows, they make this sound. So this activity is designed to give you some sense of how to use square roots in some real life applications. Also some sense of sounds and frequencies, and a little bit of converting some different units that you might not be familiar with. So whenever you hear a sound, like it can be my voice, it can be the sound of these tubes, it can be the car or anything else, there's actually a vibration on the air around your ear, which is picked up by your ear and translated in your brain as a sound. So if there's no air in space, you can't hear that. And sounds, the way they vibrate, it looks somewhat like this. This is called a wave. That's why some people might call it a sound wave sometimes. So you can see that this wave, it has one cycle, which is when it goes from zero, and then it goes to the negative part, which is called the maximum negative, and then it goes back to the maximum positive, and then it goes back to zero. So completely one cycle. Right? And the way we differentiate the sounds, for example, how does one of these makes notes while the other one makes another one, is the frequency of this wave. So if you look at the chimes that we are going to do today, you see that they have different, we want to have 8 notes on them. So we're going to be the entire octave going from A, B, C, D, until A again. So we have 8 notes, 8 tubes, and each note has a different frequency. And the way you're going to force these frequencies is by the length of the tube that we will cut. So each length, you see that there's many different lengths. Each length will produce different notes because the size of the length will dictate the frequency. So we will be actually cutting these 2 tubes here with this saw frame. So that is dangerous. That's why we have 4 monitors, including me, which will help you guys do it. And from now on, to the end of the experiments, to protect ourselves, I will ask you guys to do one of these, because as we cut it, a little particles of steel might go into your eyes, or might even be in your hand, and then you might scratch your eyes or something, and that would not leave you on.